Hi. Let's check the oil. How can you see it? I think that way is safer. Ooh, yeah, it's getting pretty dark. It's gonna be due for an oil change pretty soon. I'll have to get another drain tube from John Deere. Holy cow! He's low on oil. Got some leftover. Sorry for doing that. This thing burns oil. I don't know why she's burning oil. That's empty. Need this more. No one has it paid. People on YouTube warning, my friend's Arian's mower will be running once I get a new recoil for it, and I'll post a video of it starting. There's a low, it's kind of hard to see. I think I'll add some more. So I'll take my camera. And to me, the garage. I'll find. Other thing of oil. Sorry about that. That was just my tools. Here's all my sockets. You probably would see the small one in there too. Yeah, I won't doubt it. Uh-oh. Need some oil. Oil can. Here we go. Valvoline. 10 weight, 30 and 30 weight mixed. I think that'll be good. So take care. Have yourself a good day.